Hello everyone, welcome to the 11th session of Hybris tutorial. In this session we will learn what is the difference between and all and clean all command. If you remember, in our previous session of items.xml we had created a new item type, and when we did this item type entry in core item.xml to reflect the changes or to create the model classes, corresponding model classes, we had done the and clean all command in the platform folder. Right over here we fired a command like this, and when we fired this command, only after that this model class got generated. So what is the difference between ant all and clean all, we will understand in this video. So if I can tell you very basic difference between ant all and clean all, suppose you are adding some new attribute into this existing type training feedback, or if you are creating a new type in the same class training core item.xml. So what ant all command will do, ant all command will only update the changes in this training feedback class, so it will not delete anything. But if you are firing the and clean all command, it will firstly deletes everything and then it will recreate the whole files. So this is the basic difference between ant all and ant clean all. Ant clean all firstly deletes all files, then it recreates the files from the scratch, but ant all only updates your changes in the corresponding files. So this is the reason ant clean all command takes lots of time, but ant all commands take less time in comparison. So now we are safe to define ant clean all and ant all. Ant clean all checks the Hybris folder structure, like this is my Hybris folder structure. Right, firstly it checks whether these bin config log folders are already installed or not. So if these are not installed, it will firstly install these folders, and if there are any changes in the item.xml, as I have already mentioned, like you are creating a new item type or you are adding a new attribute, then and clean all command will delete the class and then it will recreate all these files. So this is the reason it is consuming lots of time. While the ant all command doesn't check the Hybris folder structure, it doesn't check Hybris folder structure. It assumes that these folders, bin, config, log folders are already present in Hybris directory. If any changes such as creating a new item type in item.xml or modifying item type by adding a new attribute, then ant all will modify these files. It will modify these files, it will not be deleting these files. So instead of deleting and recreating, it will only modify the required changes, such as if you add some a new attribute in this item type, it will be only modifying the changes in your corresponding file. That is why this takes comparatively less time. So another question arises when we should ant all and when you should use the ant clean all command. In general, in all scenarios you should use ant all command. It is safe to use, but in case your changes are not reflecting or by chance these folders get deleted, in those scenarios, or there is some corrupt files created in your system, so to clean those corrupt files you should use the ant clean all command. But otherwise you should use the ant all command. It will serve your purpose in most of the scenarios. So I hope now you understand the difference between ant all and ant clean all command. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.